In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use UZ Marketing's Design Studio and make the perfect yard sign. You're going to click down here and press I have a print ready file. And that's going to take you to our design studio. The number one thing to remember when designing a yard sign is to keep it simple. We recommend just sticking to one service that you offer, big and bold, and then your phone number right underneath. So to add text, you're just going to come over here to the text panel, click add new text. If I'm a pressure washer, then I'm just going to type pressure washing right here in the text box. Make sure you have your caps lock on. Then move that to the top. You can grab the corner and drag it, click and drag to make the text bigger. Over here you'll find our font selection. If you want a bolder font, Arial Black is going to be one of the boldest, and you're really just going to try to figure out what font works for you. You can stretch it all you want, you can stretch it horizontally, you can do whatever you want to it. Also, if you're concerned about spacing, you can come over here where there's character spacing. Click the up arrow for more spacing between, click the down arrow to go back. I think right about there is probably good. I'm going to want this centered, so then I'll come over here to our text alignment. You'll see align left, text center, and text right. So click text center. Everything should be perfectly aligned in the middle. Another common thing to do is add a rectangle behind the phone number. So I'll come over here to clip art, click shapes, click this rectangle, and then bring it down to the bottom corner, stretch it up with these boxes once more, click this one to stretch it horizontally, and now I want to get rid of the stroke by clicking this no stroke. The fill, I want to click black, and then the text, I want to come back in and I want to put my phone number there. So I'll type out my phone number. I'll make that text white. Now I want a big bold font. Stretch it to fit. And there you have it. That's a pretty good yard sign. Let's say I wanted to go from one color to two colors. I'm going to do just that. I'm going to take one element of my yard sign and make it a different color. So this would be a two-color yard sign with the black and the red. Anything that shows up as white is going to be the base color of your board. If you decided to print your yard sign on yellow coroplast, come over here to the background, click set background color, click on the yellow option, and now you have a yellow background. If you're still with two colors, white is going to count as your third, so you're going to click and make sure that that is back to set to yellow, and there you have it. There's a two-color yellow coroplast sign. If you ordered three, you're just going to change another element's color. So let's say we want that green. That will be a three-color sign. Let's say you want to add your logo to the sign. Come over here and click Images, upload your image, select your image file. Hopefully it's a JPEG, PNG, or PDF. Click to use the image, and then here you can drag the corners again to scale the image up. And on the right side here you can see that my image currently is poor quality. We recommend images that are 300 dpi or higher, or vectorized images, which usually are in PDF form. But as you can see, there is a limit to the scale. So this image right here is very small. If your image is highly complex and we have to recreate it, you may be charged recreation fees. So it's best to find your original designer and get a vectorized copy or a higher DPI image from them. If you want your logo to have exactly the same colors as you intend, you're going to select full color. But if you want your yard sign one color, we can make the changes for you and we'll send you a proof of the new design in one color. You'll just upload your image on here just like normal. Make sure that when you check out, you're going to want to make sure that you click one color and the color that you intend your sign to be. Alright, and with that, that's how to design a yard sign using the UZ Marketing Design Studio.